shopping centre, massive shopping centre, because our mission for today is to
finally get a GoPro and waste a load of money. I mean, spend a load of money.
So far we've been to two shops. One shop had the GoPro 11 for £240, brand new, and then we went to a second-hand shop and they had a GoPro 8 for £140, but obviously second-hand. So now we're trying a third shop and we'll see what deals they have. So, big camera was a big fat no-no. They only had one GoPro, which was the GoPro 11, but it was more expensive because it was a special edition, which means it comes with a free bag that we don't want. So I think we've got one more shop to check out, and then at the moment it's looking like we'll head back to the first shop we tried to go for the GoPro 11 for the best price we can.
So, we've treated ourselves because we plan on doing a bit of scuba diving and stuff, and because our videos are super shaky and pretty rubbish. We went out and we bought ourselves a GoPro. Yeah. So we shopped around, went to like 4 different shops, trying to find the best price. And accidentally, we were going to buy a GoPro 11 for £290, the cheapest we found. And we thought, we swore we heard someone say we get it cheaper. So we went back to a second shop, and actually, what we thought was a GoPro 11 was actually a GoPro 12, which he was selling for 270.
Yeah, because we got it for 270.
Yeah, so we ended up trying to haggle, and it was 12,000 something. And then he got it down to 11,700. Then 11,500, which is 260. But that's just the GoPro. And we were umming and ahhing and we weren't sure. And then he threw in a 128 gig SD card, SanDisk Extreme Pro. So we couldn't say no. So, let's have a look what you get inside. So, it's still in this packaging. It has got a warranty on it, but it's in Thai, so I don't know what that means. Fresh seal. So you've got a security tag on. Fancy. Ready? Oh. Instructions. So you get one charging cable, one battery, your anywhere mount, kind of like for a motorbike helmet. Screw for your mount, and of course the GoPro itself. A bit relieved that there's actually one in there. We thought for that price it seemed a bit too good to be true. So still got to update it. Beautiful. Beautiful, so GoPro 12, Hero 12 Black. So today we are getting bits for our GoPro. So this is our first film using our GoPro. So any comments on how bad we're doing or any adjustments to settings we could do, please let us know. So we're currently sitting, sweating our head off outside our little hostel. Interesting night, to say the least. But yeah, we're heading to Fortune Town Mall to go get some cases for when we do scuba diving and stuff. We're walking half an hour to get the tube to go to Fortune Town. Or you'll take me to Fortune Town. Silicone screen cover for £3.50.
And that was from this shop. There's loads of camera shops. We've managed to get silicone case just now for £3.57. We managed to get a waterproof housing and a floaty handle for £22.
Yeah.
And now we're looking, I think we've got everything we really need for our scuba trip, but we're just going to have a look if there's anything else. Maybe a lens cover. What else?
We'd love a new battery, but we can't seem to find any.
Yeah, not many places sell batteries, and if they do, they're super expensive. So we'll just continue looking. But we have everything we need, so it's been a success. Now it's just additional bits that we could get.
Budget travelling when you're not budgeting. We've done it. We've got our accessories.
Yes, we have. Ryan's using all the accessories apart from the waterproof case. He's using the handle and the protective case.
Oh, good. So we've got a waterproof cover as well. So silicone case, handle, a protective waterproof cover for 25 quid. Admittedly, they're not actual GoPro. But if you bought a GoPro protective waterproof cover, that alone is 50 quid. So this is a forward view. So this is where we were anyway. You can't really see it because we're right next to it. But
So to recap, we bought the GoPro Hero 12 with a 128GB SD card in Chiang Mai for 260 British pounds. We then went to Bangkok to buy accessories, and we got a waterproof housing, a floating handle, a protective case for 25 British pounds. And the main reason we bought the GoPro is because we were coming to Koh Tao to do some scuba diving, so I'll insert a clip here of the footage we got. But the video for that is coming in 2 days, so subscribe to see that video. Spoiler, we did see turtles.